From pest to profit, how rabbits and black chickens are revolutionizing contemporary agriculture. What was once considered an environmental disaster, the rabbit has made a surprising turn in history and is now a sustainable and lucrative asset in contemporary agriculture. Brought to Australia in the 18th century, rabbits first wreaked havoc on the country, breeding quickly and destroying crops and natural habitats. Their population grew exponentially in a matter of decades, leaving in their wake a legacy of environmental devastation. But now, the same quick reproduction has become a pillar of a successful agricultural scheme. On modern farms, 10,000 to 50,000 commercial rabbits are bred every year to supply increasing world demand for clean, high-quality protein. Rabbits, once a problem, are now a solution. Come with us to Noel Farm to see how these previously destructive animals are now managed in state-of-the-art rabbit farms. Breeding and raising, from kits to market. The breeding process in Noel Farm has two exact methods: natural mating and artificial insemination. In the latter, the male sperm is harvested and undergoes rigid quality control in a laboratory setting before it is inserted into the female rabbit. This scientific method guarantees a high mating success rate and preserves a consistent, high-quality gene line. After birth, the young rabbits, or kits, go through a strictly regulated growth process. Around age 2 months, they start the growing up phase, where they are given a high-quality compound feed rich in nutrients. They receive a continuous supply of clean water through an automatic drinking system to maintain hydration and sanitation. To enhance overall development and health, fresh vegetables and fruits are incorporated into their nutrition on a routine basis. They supply critical vitamins, facilitate digestion, and ensure fast and healthy growth. At 4 months, when the rabbits reach 2.2 to 2.5 kilograms, they are considered mature enough for sale. Harvest, processing and packaging, a closed-loop system. Noel Farm adopts a closed-loop production system that guarantees hygiene and efficiency throughout. The operations cover humane slaughter, processing, and packaging of the rabbit meat. The internal organs are properly separated, with nutrient-rich organs such as kidneys receiving special treatment depending on customer demands. Every package of rabbit meat is carefully labeled with batch information, production date, expiration date. Once labeled, the products are either stored in cold storage or shipped directly to distribution hubs, ensuring freshness and traceability. Rabbit meat, clean, lean, and in demand. Rabbit meat is increasingly popular internationally because of its outstanding nutritional quality. It's low in fat, high in protein, rich in essential nutrients. Its pure, unobtrusive taste and flexibility also make it a perfect inclusion in contemporary health-oriented diets. Meals with rabbit meat not only bring gastronomic pleasure, but also demonstrate the sustainable potential of small animals in world food production. From rabbits to black chickens, a look into another superfood. As we make our way, we now look to another emerging star of sustainable agriculture, the black chicken. Anciently esteemed in folk medicine and gourmet foods, black chickens are rich in high protein, low fat, exotic micronutrients. They are thought to increase energy, improve skin, and lead to longevity. With an estimated 350,000 black chickens raised each year, their numbers are increasing in traditional as well as gourmet markets. Hatchling to harvest, black chicken raising. It all starts with well-chosen eggs incubated under precisely controlled temperature and humidity. Eggs are turned over periodically to simulate natural conditions until they hatch out as black chicks. They are moved into a brooding room where an infrared heating system maintains a constant temperature, which provides warmth and early survival. After feathers grow and become stronger, they are transferred to a bigger coop, where they adjust to a freer environment. They are given nutrient-adequate pellet feed or finely milled grains to sustain healthy growth. Processing and food uses. Black chickens are processed under sanitized conditions when they reach market size. The following is involved in the process: extensive cleaning with clean water, removal of feathers and blood, purification of impurities. The final meat is greatly valued. Packed with protein, collagen, and essential amino acids, black chicken is employed in herbal soups, mushroom stews, vegetable stir-fries. All these dishes preserve the natural sweetness of the chicken and optimize its nutritional content. a modern culinary symbol. Originally a rare treat, black chicken is now ubiquitous in health-conscious diets and an emblem of cultural gastronomic heritage in much of Asia. Its rich taste and health advantages make it the ideal case of how old food sources are being remodeled for contemporary consumption. Ready to see more? If you want to find out how these new production systems work close up, from the careful breeding stages to advanced packaging lines, watch out for our future videos. We'll go deeper into the world of sustainable farming, beginning with our next segment on black chickens and from egg to plate. Let's keep investigating how the farms of today are supplying the world of tomorrow.